how to build SAAS website with WordPress. Building a SAAS software as a service website with WordPress is absolutely doable even on a budget, and it can scale beautifully if done right. So, first thing you'll need to do is to choose a hosting and domain for your WordPress website. You can also buy a WordPress domain on the site. And then once you have done that, go ahead and pick a SAES compatible theme. So head over into the appearance and then click on theme. And then on the theme section, go ahead and choose a clean, responsive theme that supports landing pages, pricing tables, and user dashboards. Elementor compatible themes are great for customization. So you can find that under the business filtered section. And then after you have selected a theme, go ahead and install key plugins. So head over into the plugins tab and then go ahead and search for plugins. First is for membership plugins. So first would be Paid Memberships Pro or MemberPress. So this plugin will allow you to manage the memberships on your website. So after that, you need to look for WooCommerce subscriptions. It would be used for the subscriptions feature of your website. Next would be for the user management of your website. So head back into the plugin marketplace and then search for WP User Manager. And then use the search bar here and then search for WP User Manager. So this tool will allow you to manage the users on your website. And then after this, you need to go ahead and design the core pages of your website. So head over into the Pages tab. Then create the essential pages such as the home page, features page, pricing, login or sign up, dashboard, and contact or about page. After that, you need to add your payment processing, so integrate Stripe or PayPal for subscriptions and billing, and use WooCommerce or easy digital downloads if needed. Now, for building the SAES logic, that would be depend on your product. So you may need custom post types, API integration, user dashboards, and role-based access. Now, lastly, you need to optimize your website for SEO and speed. So use plugins like Yoast SEO Premium to optimize images, enable caching, and use a CDN. So after this, you need to test and launch your website. And that is how you can basically build a software as a service website in WordPress.